Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from domesticatedme.com. If you're new to my channel, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I am a beauty-obsessed, fashion-loving, DIY project-making Latina mom from New York City, and I blog and vlog on Domesticated Me. Today I'm sharing a reveal and review of my latest Louis Vuitton purchase, and that is the Runway sneakers. I am obsessed with the sneakers. I've been in love with these sneakers for a while, since I saw them months ago, and I finally added them to my collection. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, and I hope that you do, if you don't, go ahead and follow me right now. I'll wait. Pick up your phone. I'm at JESSICAYFLORES on Instagram, at JESSICAYFLORES on Twitter, and on Facebook, I am facebook.com/domesticatedme. Following? Awesome. Great. So if you are following me, you saw these, but most of you don't. So I am so happy to finally share my thoughts about these sneakers. I took them with me to Disney World, and I could not be happier with this purchase. I am obsessed. I love this. I feel like I'm starting a new addiction. I'm probably going to be adding more sneakers to my collection, more Louis sneakers to my collection, because I love these. So first I'm going to give you a close-up look at what they look like and all of the beautiful little details and features that these sneakers bring. So as you can see, they are monogram canvas with black, and it has this gold heel detail and this white stripe along the front. Again, it's that classic brown monogram canvas. It has black suede and also black mesh, black laces, some gold tone hardware here, the rivets for the lace hole right there. It has this beautiful matte rubber LV sign, which just gorgeous. It also has black patent leather. I mean, this is just texture on top of texture on top of texture, so I love that. And yeah, they're absolutely gorgeous. So again, if you've been following me for a while, you know I have quite a bit of an issue with my feet. I have Achilles tendonitis and plantar fasciitis, so I can no longer wear flats. So I was a little bit nervous about buying these because, I mean, they're absolutely gorgeous, but I've been wearing shoes that have a little bit of a chunky heel to them. Those are the ones that work best for my feet condition. That makes walking more bearable. Otherwise, I just can't wear flats at all because the pain is ridiculous. So I have to wear a little bit of a chunky heel, a little bit of a wedge, not too much, in order to make it comfortable, but always have a little bit of height to my heel. So when I bought these sneakers, or when I was looking into these sneakers, that's the thing that I was most worried about, whether it was going to be too flat for my feet. So I was so pleasantly surprised that when I looked at it, I have these inserts that I put into my shoes, and I can put into my shoes, and another pair that I put into my sneakers. I was going to switch the soles out, this inside piece out, to put the ones that my doctor made me, and I was so happy and thrilled to see this. Now, I feel like this is not mentioned anywhere, so you guys need to know about this. Check that out. Do you see that? That's a little bit of a lift right there. That's a little bit of a heel. So because this insert has a little bit of a lift, has a little bit of a heel to it, I mean, this is like maybe an inch tops, but that is perfect, and it made the sneakers so comfortable for me. So if you have any kind of issues like I do, you don't have to worry about these. These are so comfortable. And I wore this, again, I took this to Disney World with me, and this is what I wore all but one of the days that I was there. I walked and walked and walked. I mean, I was looking at my watch, it was like 15,000 steps a day, and just super, super comfortable. Not only are they beautiful, but they're comfortable, and that's why I'm like, oh my God, am I starting a new addiction here? Because now I do actually want another pair of sneakers. But I'm not ready to talk about that yet. I don't think I'm ready to jump the gun yet. But if you want me to do a wish list, I have been getting a few messages about wish lists. If you want me to do a wish list, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll consider it. But yeah, these again are the Runaway sneakers, the black and brown Runaway sneakers with the gold toned hardware. Absolutely gorgeous. Obsessed with these. So comfortable, so good for your feet. Because I'm telling you, I have my foot issues. I have Achilles tendonitis and plantar fasciitis, and these are just the best. These are more comfortable than the pair of Nikes, the ACGs that my podiatrist recommended. He told me to get those, and these are more comfortable. I feel much, much better in these. So there you go. That was my review and reveal. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you like it. Do you have any questions? Please always feel free to reach out to me, either through direct message, through my social media platforms, or leave me a comment here. Always glad to hear from you. And if I can be of any help in any kind of a situation, if you have any questions or comments or concerns, let me know. I love to hear from you guys. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned. To watch my latest video, click right here or check out a video that you might like down here. Always remember to like my video so that I know what you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thanks again.